Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. Today, we will be looking at how to save conversation threads and chat messages in Microsoft Teams. You know, it gets very cumbersome sometimes. So, today I am in my sample class and I want to go ahead and save this announcement for my class. So, all I have to do is move all the way to the right hand corner, look for these three ellipses, click on them and click Save Message. And you'll get a notification saying your message has been saved. Now I want to go into my other channels and see if there's anything else I want to save. So I want to go ahead and save this notification, and I will say save message, and I get a quick little window saying that message has been saved. So you can go ahead and save your conversation threads, and you can also save your chat messages. So let me go ahead and click on that. I want to go ahead and save my friend Paige's chat because it was very important to me. I will click on pin, and you will see that that chat has been pinned all the way top here. I'm going to go ahead and pin another chat here that's also right here, and I'm going to pin another one just so you can see. Now, once you have pinned or saved your chat messages or your conversation threads, how do you get to that? There are two ways to get to it, because every time you click on your chat window, you see that the messages you have pinned are right up here. What about your conversation threads? You can simply go on the right hand corner where you see your picture, you click on it, and you click on the saved messages, and you see all the messages that you have saved are right here from your conversation threads. Or you can also click on the search window and type \saved, and it's going to still bring you back to the same saved conversation threads. So you have them right here, here, and here. Once you're done looking at what you want, you can simply go ahead and uncheck this, and it will automatically unsave it for you. That's for the messages. Now for the chat window, once you finish looking at your pinned messages, you go back to your three ellipses and click unpin. And there you go. These are unpinned for you. Hope this helps.